Before you spend your hard-earned money on Glescia, you might want to hear this first because things are not as straightforward as they seem. Glescia has been getting attention lately, but when you actually look deeper, the picture becomes a bit mixed. After carefully analyzing customer feedback, website structure, product listings, and overall transparency, some interesting patterns start to appear. On the positive side, the site looks clean and modern, and the product range seems appealing at first glance, which can easily build initial trust. However, once you go beyond the surface, there are a few concerns that cannot be ignored. Some users report delayed shipping and difficulty getting responses from customer support, while others mention that product quality did not fully match expectations. At the same time, there are also buyers who claim they received their items without major issues, which makes the situation less black and white. Another thing worth noticing is the lack of strong brand presence or detailed company information, which can be a red flag when you're dealing with an online store. Pricing also feels slightly inconsistent compared to similar platforms, raising questions about value for money. So what does all this mean? Glescia is not clearly a scam, but it's also not something you should blindly trust without caution. If you're considering buying from it, it would be smarter to start small. Avoid high-ticket purchases and always use secure payment methods. At the end of the day, the decision comes down to how much risk you're willing to take, but staying informed is what will protect your money.